light. We've been attempting to light our harsh world for millennia, and all of this has been leading up to today's modern lights, which are simply amazing. Let me show you something new in the world of flashlights. Hey guys, welcome to My Lonely Mountain. Today I want to talk to you about this new light that was sent to me to do a tool review on. Now, the folks at Olight were pretty gracious to go ahead and give this one to me, so I'm going to do them some justice and go ahead and give it a thorough review. First things first, is this thing's pretty dang light. It's called the Marauder Mini by Olight. When they asked me what color I might like, I said orange, because I thought that'd be nice and easy to find if I dropped it in the dark. Olight's kind of been perfecting these really high intensity lights over the last few years, and this is kind of the genesis of the Marauder, which is the Marauder Mini. Now this thing comes with a really special battery. I want to talk to you about that for a minute. Now this light's completely waterproof. It can be submersed, which is pretty cool. And the battery right here is kind of a standalone, right? It's not an off-the-shelf item. It even has Olight's name on it, and it has all to do with the milliamps, right? Because this gives the boost to this light's brightness, this specific battery. What I like about this battery, though, is it's rechargeable, okay? So it doesn't have to go in the garbage. It doesn't have to be replaced by some D cell that you're not going to use in anything else. In fact, it's not technically a D cell. It's about 1/2 inch to 3/8 of an inch longer. That'll be good so your kids don't accidentally put it in their toy cars, because they'll be off and running with this kind of power. So this threads on really nice. The feel of the aluminum machining is nice. It's got a double gasket for the waterproofing. It just goes on perfectly, and you can feel when it seats. This bottom part here, we're going to go over this later, but this is the charge port. And then right here on the top is the grip. And the grip is great. I mean, it feels like it's almost stuck in your hand. There's a little piece right here to attach a lanyard. There's a brightness setting here and a battery indicator light. So the front of the light looks like this. When you use it for a little bit of a length of time, it does get warm to the touch. Not warm enough to burn you, but it's throwing off a little bit of heat. This light was bright enough to light up the trees all the way across town from where I was doing my nighttime review, and we'll look at that later. It's pretty interesting. So this light not only has a spot, but it has a wide angle throw, and it's pretty impressive. So like I said, this came to me out of the blue. Olight emailed me. They had seen some of my cabin videos. They've asked if I could do an outdoor review of the Marauder Mini, and I said of course. They sent it to my house. It was here in a few days, and they gave me some instructions on how to leave you guys a link if you're interested in buying one, and a link to their website if you just want to browse. So this is my first sponsored tool review. I'm kind of excited, and I'm excited mainly because this is a really awesome tool. So you always kind of wonder that when you get an email out of the blue from somebody, like, what are they peddling? I've had some before that I decided not to take them up on. A couple laser levels, some straps, a couple other things for outdoors, and this one piqued my fancy after I looked it up. So stick with me, stay tuned. Let's go over this flashlight in depth and make the decision for yourself. Thanks for watching, and thanks for watching my video reviewing the Olight Marauder Mini. Now I want to talk to you guys about my new Olight, the Marauder Mini. Olight sent this to me to test and take it through its paces. So we're gonna play with it outside for a little bit here in the trees. See what we can find out. Let's turn this thing on. That's pretty dang bright. I mean, there's this new chipper I got. Well, new to me, this chipper I got. We'll be using that up at the Lonely Mountain. Let me see. This thing's pretty cool. Let's see here. Red spot. Green spot. Blue spot. Regular. Let's get this thing. Now what happens when you spot? Wow. This thing can definitely spot. I can spot the neighbor's house. Dang. Whoa. Whoa, it can spot. Wow. This thing is pretty wild, man. It can light some stuff up. Whoa. Okay, spot taken down. This thing's pretty cool. It gets just a little bit warm, but not bad. It's a beautiful light.
If you're interested in any of Olight's line of flashlights, don't forget about my coupon code. Thank you so much for watching my Olight Marauder Mini review, and thanks for watching My Lonely Mountain. And have a good one.